Hello students of class 2. Yesterday we had completed the lesson water around us, isn't it? I hope you all are reading the lesson nicely and learning it nicely. Today let us come to the points to remember and the difficult word meanings, okay, from behind your lesson. So open your books to the points to remember and the difficult word meanings and come to the slideshow and let us read about the points to remember in this chapter and the difficult word meanings. So water around us, today's date is the 23rd. Points to remember. Okay, water, uses of water. Uses of water is for what? For drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, watering plants. Isn't it? We have learned this. Water is used for what all? It is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing and watering plants. Then sources of water. Sources of water, I told you, natural source and man-made source. Isn't it? I have taught you. What are the natural sources? Rain, lake, pond and river. What are the man-made sources? Dam, well, hand pump and canal. Alright, water for drinking. How do we make water clean for drinking? Okay, by boiling and filtering can clean water. Keep drinking water covered. Do not store in dirty containers. Okay, so how do we make water clean for drinking? By boiling and filtering the water. We can keep the water covered. We should always keep the water covered and do not store the water in dirty containers. Alright. Saving water. Do not throw garbage into water bodies. Collect and use rainwater. Do not waste water. How do we save water? By not throwing any garbage into water bodies, by not polluting the water bodies, by collecting and using rainwater, and we should not waste water. Isn't it? So this is a summary of whatever I have taught you in the lesson. The points that you have to remember. Okay. Now let us come to the difficult word meanings. Words to learn. Natural. What is the meaning of natural? Found in nature. Not made by people. Man-made, meaning made by people, not natural. Dam, a wall that is built across a river to hold the water back. Pollution, the process by which air, water, etc. gets dirty and harmful. Okay. The process by which air, water, etc. gets dirty and harmful. That is known as pollution. Boiling. A process in which germs in the water are killed by heating it. Filtering. A process in which water is cleaned by passing it through a filter paper. Impurities. Things present in a substance that make it dirty. Hose. A long soft pipe that is used to bring water into the gardens or when there is fire, etc. Is it clear? Okay students, that's all for today. I hope this is clear to you. You read the points to remember and the difficult word meanings. You learn it nicely, okay? We will continue with the exercise work in the next class. Thank you students and God bless.